In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the inverted color mode on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Apple icon in the menu bar and select System Settings. On the left panel now, you want to select where it says Accessibility. And then on the right side underneath Vision, select Display. And where it says Invert Colors Mode, you can select either Classic or Smart, depending on your preference. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.